to have your hands up here, flat, and then you're going to bring them down, and while you're bringing them down, you're going to step with your leg 4 times. So first it's going to go left, right, left, right. And after that, you're going to have your hands up here, like a triangle flat. And then you're going to bring your right down, your right arm down to your ear, and then bend your left knee when you do that. So it's going to go 1, 2, and then step. Bring out your right arm, and then step out with your left leg, and bring out your left arm and step out with your right leg. So from the beginning, it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you're going to bring them together and step with your left, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, jazz hands, like that. And then when you're done with that, you're going to have your left hand on your hips. Your right hand is going to be like this on your head. You're going to go 1, step with the right, and then you're going to turn around and step with the right again, and then left. And then when you step with your left, you're going to have your hands here again, like a peacock on your chest. And when you have that, you're going to step 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And while you're stepping 4 times, you're going to bring your hands down like this by your side. You're going to first step with your right leg. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to turn around clockwise, bring your arms out. So from this part, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and bring your arms out when you turn like that. And after that, you're gonna have your right hand on like near your chest, and you're gonna go 1, moving your right hips up. So it's gonna go 1, bending down, moving your hips up, and then you're going to come back up, and you're going to bring your left arm out under your right arm and do the same again. So from this part, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, and then 1, and then 2, and then you're going to bring your hands up like this all the way to the top. So after we're done with 1 and then 2, you're going to step with the right and then just bring it up to the top. Gió kể và mong cho lá rong hò phi
sa có mong luna tàu ba chỉ tin ra ia
có bên chỉ